Here, in the ever-evolving world of technology, the invisible forces that power our devices often go unnoticed. Transformers, the unsung heroes of our electronics, come in various shapes and sizes, each with its own unique function. Welcome to Tech Guru for You. I'm your host, Raiz, and today we delve into the heart of these technological marvels. To kick things off, we'll explore the world of extra high-tension transformers, or EHTs. These powerhouses are used in high-voltage applications, such as transmitting electricity across vast distances. Their design is a testament to engineering prowess, able to withstand and control tremendous amounts of electrical power. Next on our list are line output transformers, or LOTs. This transformer, also called flyback transformers, or FBTs. These are typically found in older televisions and radios, converting high-voltage signals to suitable levels for speakers or cathode ray tubes. Despite their relative obscurity in modern devices, LOTs or FBTs have played a crucial role in the history of electronics. Moving on, we have step-down and step-up transformers. As their names suggest, step-down transformers reduce voltage, while step-up transformers increase it. These are commonly found in power supplies and adapters, ensuring our devices receive the correct voltage. Iron core transformers are next. These transformers are known for their robustness and high efficiency. They are commonly used in power transmission and radio frequency applications. Air-cored transformers, on the other hand, lack a magnetic core. This makes them ideal for high-frequency applications where low signal distortion is paramount. Ferrite-cored transformers are up next. These transformers are lighter and more efficient than their iron-cored counterparts, making them a popular choice for high-frequency applications like switch-mode power supplies. Last but not least, we have toroidal transformers. These ring-shaped transformers are loved for their high efficiency and low electromagnetic interference. They are commonly used in audio equipment and other sensitive electronics. And there you have it, a tour of the diverse world of transformers. From the powerful EHTs to the efficient toroidals, transformers play a pivotal role in our electronic lives. This is Raiz from Tech Guru for You, signing off. Stay curious, stay informed. In today's episode, we covered the different types of transformers, including extra high tension, line output, flyback, step down, step up, iron cord, air cord, ferrite cord, and toroidal transformers. We explored their unique properties and the roles they play in our everyday electronics. Remember, the world of technology is vast and ever-changing, so keep exploring, keep learning.